about self-talk. This, I think, is a really, really important one. And in terms of the concentration, this is where we're going to spend most of our time. Who's aware of their self-talk? Who's aware of what they say to themselves? Who would talk to someone else the same way that you talk to yourself? Probably get slapped, yeah? Yeah? So your self-talk, your inner dialogue, I'm glad that you're all aware of it because we need to start to make some changes to that. Who thinks they need to change their self-talk? Yep, need to make some changes to your inner dialogue. So what does it do? Well, if it's good, it improves your self-esteem, your motivation, it allows you to be more focused in the present on your performance, and again, it makes you happy. If your self-talk is positive, you become positive. If you're positive, you're happy, and a happy athlete is a successful athlete. If your self-talk is negative, it's critical, it's demeaning, you idiot, why did you do that? That was stupid, that was a terrible bar muscle up, stop winging your elbow, etc. Okay, noddings of heads. And it creates negative emotions. And if you could choose between a positive emotion and a negative one, then it's academic, really. So how does this work? Well, there's a process. Something happens. There's an event that happens, something you do, something that happens to you. And then as a result of that, we make a judgment. I rounded my back on a deadlift. Don't round your back, you idiot. So we respond to that. And then that leads us down this certain emotional path. I'm a failure, I'm not good at this, and our emotions start to go down into one of those troughs. That's the process of self-talk.